Hey, what's up you guys? It's Naturally Ann here and I'm back with another video. If you've been here before, welcome back, me and more. And if you're new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and yeah, make sure you don't miss out on any of my future videos. You know, join the gang. Yeah. So in today's video, it's like 6:30 in the morning. I just ate a nectarine and there's stuff in my teeth, but that has nothing to do with what this video is about. So I woke up, I fell asleep at like 7 p.m. and I woke up at like 3, and I just been laying here and I was watching YouTube videos, and one of my new favorite YouTubers is Kelly Stamps. I don't know why I just said her name like that. But one of my new favorite YouTubers is Kelly Stamps, and she's a minimalist, and I've kind of been into minimalism for the last like 2 years because I come from a family of hoarders. Yeah, my grandmother and my mother, like, we just keep things just in case. And like, there's literally, like, just in case what? Like, just in case what? You can't get new things if there's no room for them. You're not gonna have room for new things if you just have old things taking up space. And like, the main problem for me, it seems to be clothes, but it's also just stuff. So today we're gonna focus on the clothes. Another day we're gonna focus on the stuff, because I do plan on moving out of my mom's house soon, and we just gotta get the stuff out. We just gotta figure it out. So today I'm about to just purge like a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of clothes, and yeah, I want you guys to watch. But first, let me change my camera battery because it's about to die. So the biggest thing for me when it comes to clothes is freaking t-shirts. I hold on to t-shirts for dear life. I don't know why. I get free t-shirts from, like, when I was in college I was getting free t-shirts. My mom likes to give me t-shirts when she goes out of town. Like, that's my souvenir. Like, literally t-shirts are my biggest weakness for some reason. So I'm gonna start there. So even though I'm gonna be getting rid of all these clothes, I really don't see myself being a minimalist. I mean, like, it's possible, I think, but I just don't know. I kind of like clothes a lot. Like, I model, but I also feel like there's a way to make it work. Like, I can have the clothes and then give them away, and then get new ones and then give them away. You know, it's the circle of life. So, like, this is a shirt that my mom got me when she went to Punta Cana. This is a shirt that she got herself, but it wasn't the right size. So I have 2 Punta Cana shirts. Why? This is my boyfriend's t-shirt. We're gonna leave that over to the side for him. This is such an old cami, and I just keep holding on to it because I'm like, oh, I can wear it for this and I can wear it for that. No, I need some new camis. So another thing that Kelly Stamps was talking about was the quality in her clothes. If I buy higher quality clothes, then yes, I can hold on to them. But this cami has like a tiny little hole in it. The straps are trash. Like, is dang near see-through. Like, why am I holding on to it? Then I have this white t-shirt. It really doesn't even belong to me, but it's like dingy. It's just, bro, it's time to get rid of it. Like, but I was holding on to it because it's not mine. But is my friend looking for this shirt anymore? Probably not. Probably not. This is also my friend's shirt. I'm gonna put that to the side for her because I like that shirt. And this is another cami. I'm gonna keep this one though. This is a model t-shirt. I keep stuff like this for memories, and honestly, look at me, I'm about to hold on to it just a little bit longer, but that's because I actually do be wearing that shirt. This same thing, model t-shirt from school. And then I also want to see, this is another problem I have. I be wanting to hold on to things because I be like, dang, what am I going to wear once I get rid of all these clothes? This is a dress that I bought from Forever 21, I think last summer, and it's really, really short. Yeah, we're gonna give it away because my booty, I don't even have no booty like that, and it be hanging out. This is a work shirt. We're actually gonna get rid of it soon because we're getting a new job. Hey. This pink cami, actually really nice quality. But it's like I don't wear this for nothing but in the house. Like, this is not even my color or anything. So I'm just gonna get rid of it. We're gonna let it go. We're gonna let it go. And plus it's hot right now, and we don't need that. This shirt says Christ overall. Bought it from someone from church. I'm gonna keep it because Christ overall. This shirt, I literally have not worn it since freshman year of college. For my dance team, I have not been on a dance team since my sophomore year of college. And the shirt is cute, but I haven't worn it literally since 2015. It's 2020. This shirt was low-key from a friend, a hand-me-down. She got rid of it, gave it to me. Now it's time for me to get rid of it, give it to somebody else. This shirt, also from my dance team, super cute. Thought I would wear it. Didn't. Has my dance name, Ivy, on the back. I'm holding on to it. Haven't worn it since 2015. It's just taking up space. Shirt my mom got me from Aruba. Bro, I didn't go to Aruba. I don't need the shirt. This is an Old Navy long sleeve tee, size small. Don't even like the way it hangs on me for real anymore. It's a pocket tee. It's nice. Don't need it anymore. This is a tie-dye shirt that I made at school last year. I worked at a daycare. Don't need it. This is a child small t-shirt. Don't even know how I got it. Getting rid of it. This shirt is from when I worked at Culver's. Why? Don't need it. My mom went to Jamaica. I didn't go to Jamaica. Would I have bought a t-shirt if I went to Jamaica? Absolutely not. Another Rampage shirt. Super cute. Haven't worn it since 2015. Planet Fitness shirt. I don't even go to Planet Fitness. This is my mom's business shirt. We're gonna keep this. Actually, no, we're not, because the label is coming off. This shirt's so old, I never even wore it. I mean, I have in the house and on my head for wash days. And then this is a pajama shirt that my mom gave me. I will wait for waffles. It's just taking up space, bro. All of it. I'm ready for new stuff. I'm ready for new stuff. So I'm just clearing it out. And clearing out this drawer that I'm clearing out It's a little plastic drawer, one of the ones that you can get from Walmart. I'm going to put items in it to organize the stuff that I mentioned to you guys, because it's driving me crazy. My room is so small and it's just not enough room for the things that I have. And yeah, I'm tired. And yeah, this is a black t-shirt. We're gonna hold on to this too because it's a basic. We're gonna hold on to it. So just gonna fold that up, put it in my to keep pile. And yeah, moving on to what's in the top drawer, which I have some leggings and like just really some leggings. This is a good pair of leggings, so I'm gonna keep these. They just regular black leggings. They still good for now. These blue leggings are kind of new, so we're gonna keep these as well. Gray workout leggings that I got from Charlotte Russe a while ago. These Victoria's Secret leggings, I do not like the way they fit on me anymore. Getting rid of them. These are, they have the VS down the side, whatever. Do they have a pocket? If they have a pocket, oh yeah, they have a pocket. I am keeping them, because maybe they'll fit again one day. These are new leggings. These are fairly new. These right here though are from Wet Seal. Wet Seal is not even a thing anymore. We're getting rid of them. Same for these. Gray pair. Bye. These pajama shorts are from Five Below. I don't even freaking wear pajamas. Getting rid of them. Another pair of Wet Seal leggings, all black. Goodbye. Fleece leggings. It's summertime. If I need some, I'll buy some more. And these low-key have a burn hole in them, but I was holding on to them because I like to dance in them. But shoot, I'm hot right now just looking at them. Getting rid of them. And yeah. Let me see what else we can get rid of. So I have another cami. We're gonna keep this one for now. This is kind of a nope. I'm getting rid of this. I don't see myself wearing it. A blue tank top. My cousin gave it to me. I wore it once to work when I was working at the mall. Literally only wore it once. Getting rid of this. Feeling myself. Long sleeve crop. It's cute, but my Fro Queen shirt, little bodysuit. I low-key haven't worn this since like 2016 or something. Debatable. We're gonna keep it. Another little cami. This one's really nice though. Nice color, burgundy. I like it. I'm gonna keep that. And another little summer tank top. I might wear that like today. This, it's just kind of old. Like the Charlotte Russe fabric, it just don't last. Or maybe I just don't wash it right. Maybe I don't wash it to last. So that concludes that little small drawer. like I've gotten rid of clothes so many times. You know what? I'm gonna continue this video later because at this point it's 6:49 and I need to start getting ready for work. But yeah, I'll be back later. And it's hot. I need to turn my fan back on.